What is up, you guys? My name's Nkosi and welcome back to my channel. So yes, I am officially back. I know I've been gone for about a month now. I think that's when I last posted a video. Just to dig into that before I hop into the video, I decided to take a little break. I was obviously not going to quit YouTube. I knew I was never going to quit YouTube because I'm always going to use YouTube as my creative platform for whatever I do. It was just getting to a point where I felt like I was forcing myself to do it, and I don't ever want YouTube to feel like that. Like, I want to do YouTube on my own time, like when I feel like it. So if I end up doing unannounced like hiatuses, then you know why, you get me? And also I feel like I was limiting myself to my creativity. Like, I don't always want to do sit down videos now. I've come to that conclusion because I just want to use YouTube to be more creative. I just don't always want to be uploading videos where it's like, hey guys, okay, today's video is gonna be like, I don't want to be that type of YouTuber. Like, obviously you will get those videos some days, but not every day. So yeah, so without further ado, as you can read by the title, today's video is gonna be like a little haul for you guys. Most of my clothes are from ASOS because I just ordered like a crap ton of clothes from ASOS. Some of them are thrifted, some are like from Forever 21, I think. Most of the clothes I bought like in the previous months because I've been trying to stock up for summertime because I don't have that much summer clothes. So yeah, don't be alarmed when all you see is ASOS, 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 because that's literally all I shop is ASOS. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next clip.